Well, alright guys, we made it into the parking garage in Canapa. We're heading back to home. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Mariner of the Seas. This is one of the final cruise vlogs, guys. We're gonna go disembark the ship, guys. I'm in the bathroom, and we're gonna disembark the ship. So let's disembark the Mariner of the Seas. Well, alright guys, we made it into the parking garage in Canapa. We're heading back to home. I make the take on the shuttle to the car, and then we're heading back to home. Oh my goodness, well guys, it is hard and sad to say, guys, but that wraps us up for this amazing Mariner of the Seas cruise vlog series. So in order to celebrate that sad milestone, and also a very exciting milestone, here is a recap of this whole week's cruise. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and guys, thank you very much for watching this series before I ended. I do enjoy your guys' support. Thanks guys for commenting, liking, and subscribing. It, honest to goodness, means so much for me, guys. But until the next time we're on the high seas, I am Tyler, and you are watching The Tyler Show.